allow me siguro to read from a resolution signed by the National Police Commission and Bank. If I may. So there are two resolutions we're talking about. I will read one, which more or less reflects the same contents as of to the other one. Summary dismissal case number CO-2025-004 to 0010 for grave misconduct, 6 counts, and conduct unbecoming of a police officer. Julie A. Patidongan et al., as represented by the Inspection, Monitoring, and Investigation Service, or IMIS, of the National Police Commission as complainants, versus Lieutenant Colonel Ryan J. Eliab Orapa, Police Major Mark Philip Simborio Almedilla, Police Executive Master Sergeant Aaron Ezra Lagahit Cabillan, Police Chief Master Sergeant Arturo Opalia de la Cruz Jr., Police Senior Master Sergeant Joey Natanawan Encarnacion, Police Senior Master Sergeant Mark Anthony Aguilo Manrique, Police Senior Master Sergeant Anderson Orozco Abari, Police Staff Sergeant Alfredo Uy Andes, Police Staff Sergeant Edmond Hernandez Munoz, Police Corporal Angel Joseph Ferro Martin, Police Staff Sergeant Renan Lagrosa Fulgencio. Headquarters Support Service, Camp Crame, Quezon City, respondents. Resolution. This resolves the motion for preventive suspension filed by complainant Julie A. Patidongan, complainant for brevity, through his counsel, Attorney Joseph Bisia, which was included in the case records received by the Commission on July 29, 2025, against Colonel Orapa, Major Simborio Almedilla, PEMS Cabillan, Police Chief Master Sergeant De La Cruz Jr., Police Senior Master Sergeant Encarnacion, Police Senior Master Sergeant Manrique, Police Senior Master Sergeant Abari, Police Staff Sergeant Andes, Police Staff Sergeant Munoz, Police Corporal Martin, and Police Staff Sergeant Fulgencio, respondents for brevity, who are all assigned at the Headquarters Support Service, Camp Crame, Quezon City. In this case, complainant Patidongan claimed that respondents, together with Police Colonel Jacinto Rodriguez Malinaw Jr., who is similarly charged before the Commission, are involved in the killing of the relatives of other complainants, otherwise known as the missing Sabongeros. The complainant alleged that respondents participated in these killings and are reportedly involved in illegal activities alongside Charlie Chu Hai Si Ang, aka Atong Ang, from whom they allegedly received grease or protection money. Moreover, complainant alleged that, considering the gravity and seriousness of the offense committed by the quote-unquote rogue cops, and to avoid possible miscarriage of justice, a preventive suspension order against all police officers involved in the missing Sabongero case is warranted. The Commission finds the motion meritorious. Section 1, Rule 16 of the NAPOLCO Memorandum Circular Number 2016-002 provides thus: preventive suspension of the respondent by the Disciplinary Authority or IAS. The concerned Disciplinary Authority or IAS, upon motion of the complainant, may, at any time after a case is formally filed but before the submission of the complainant's position paper or conduct of clarificatory hearing, place the respondents on preventive suspension for a period not exceeding 90 days under the following circumstances. A, that the charge is serious or grave and the evidence of guilt is strong. Or B, there is evidence to show that the respondent is exerting efforts to harass, intimidate, coerce, or unduly influence the complainant or his/her witnesses into withdrawing the complaint or retracting the sworn statement against the respondent or to tamper with the evidence. The allegations against respondents concern 6 grounds of grave misconduct and conduct unbecoming of a police officer, including alleged participation in killings and collusion with criminal elements. The gravity of these accusations, if substantiated, would constitute severe violations of the norms expected of members of the Philippine National Police. Additionally, the preliminary evidence and factual allegations supporting the motion point to a level of involvement that satisfies the threshold of serious or grave charges and strong evidence of guilt as contemplated in the above rule. However, the Commission emphasizes that the grant of preventive suspension is not tantamount to a finding of culpability on the part of the respondents. The imposition of preventive suspension is not a penalty, but a protective and procedural measure intended to preserve the integrity of the investigation, prevent any undue influence, ensure the availability of evidence and witnesses. It serves to protect both public interest and the administrative process, while allowing the case to be resolved on its merits in a fair, impartial, and expeditious manner. Accordingly, the Commission, after a careful and judicious evaluation of the records and the motion, finds that there exists substantial legal and factual basis to warrant the grant of the motion for preventive suspension. The gravity of the charges, the preliminary showing of strong evidence of guilt, and the necessity to safeguard the integrity and impartiality of the proceedings collectively justify the imposition of preventive suspension against the respondents. Wherefore, premises considered, the motion for preventive suspension filed by complainant Julie A. Patidongan is hereby granted, and thus, Police Lieutenant Colonel Ryan J. Eliab Orapa, Police Major Mark Philip Simborio Almedilla, PEMS Aaron Ezra Lagahit Cabillan, Police Chief Master Sergeant Arturo de la Cruz, Police Senior Master Sergeant Joey Natanawan Encarnacion, Police Senior Master Sergeant Mark Anthony Aguilo Manrique, Police Senior Master Sergeant Anderson Ozorco Abari, Police Staff Sergeant Alfredo Uy Andes, Police Staff Sergeant Edmond Hernandez Munoz, Police Corporal Angel Joseph Ferro Martin, and Police Staff Sergeant Renan Lagrosa Fulgencio are hereby placed under preventive suspension for a period not exceeding 90 days, effective immediately upon receipt of this resolution. The Chief PNP or his duly authorized representative is hereby directed to implement this order immediately and to submit proof of compliance to the Commission within 5 days upon receipt hereof. So ordered. Quezon City, Philippines. Signed, the National Police Commission. Bonito Victor C. Remulla, Secretary DILG, ex officio, Chairperson, NAPOLCOM. Attorney Rafael Vicente R. Calinisan, Commissioner, Vice Chairperson and Executive Officer. Attorney Ricardo P. Bernabé III, Commissioner. Attorney Beatriz Aurora A. Vega Cancio, Commissioner. Police Brigadier General Josefus G. Angan, retired, Commissioner. Police General Nicolas D. Torre III, ex officio, Commissioner. Attested by Director Mylene M. Egilos Caluya, Acting Staff Service Director, Legal Affairs Service. This is also the same for Police Colonel Jacinto Rodriguez Malinaw Jr. Dispositive portion. Wherefore, premises considered, the motion for preventive suspension filed by complainant Julie A. Patidongan is hereby granted, and thus Police Colonel Jacinto Rodriguez Malinaw Jr. is hereby placed under preventive suspension for a period not exceeding 90 days, effective immediately upon receipt of this resolution. Signed, the National Police Commission. Yun po. Noong pong Friday, na-receive din po ng mga respondents ang order po ng summary hearing officer ordering them to answer within 7 working days yung pong formal charge po na final ng Inspection, Monitoring, and Investigation Service or ating IMIS. And we are expecting their reply after 7 days. Very limited po ang pwede ko sagutin na tanong. So if there are questions, I'll try to answer them. But please take note, I don't want to go beyond what is presented here. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, thank you very much, Vice Chair Calinisan. So we would now to formally open the floor for the question and answer session. I think we can start off with Mr. Joash Malimban from BNC.
Sir, good afternoon po. Joash po from BNC. Sir, just to clarify, this is immediately executory na po, no?
Yes.
Okay. Sir, meron po bang effect yung paglabas ng dalawang kapatid po ni Don Patidongan dun sa investigations po right now?
We are waiting for their affidavits.
Sir, follow-up lang yung sa, tawag dito, yung isa pong supposedly lutang din na witness, si Arvin Manguiat, nagpasa rin po ba siya ng affidavit sa regarding po dito sa Mrs. Sabongeros?
Hindi pa po. We are hoping that he will also pass his affidavit. So kasabay po ng preventive suspension, ay hindi po rin sila tumatanggap ng kanilang sweldo.
Bisayo, sir. Alan Gatos from GMA DCWP. Na-receive na po ba yan ni GPNP yung kopya ng unbank resolution ng Applecom regarding sa preventive suspension sa 12 opisyal?
I was informed that this was served this morning.
So, na-serve na.
Yes.